Yo, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the S-Class. No, not the S-Class, the Toyota PREMIO. This is a very premium car. If you are a person out there and you're looking for a compact premium car that is really nice for the family, for yourself, a comfortable ride where you can sit for 7 hours straight or 6 without getting tired, this is the car for you, and we're going to be reviewing it today. Feel free to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends who are interested in such a car. Let's go. Now we ask ourselves, what is the premium car that can be bought on a budget? Preferably a Toyota car, because they are known for their reliability and their quality. And I think I've got the answer for you. It is the PREMIO. This PREMIO is really elegant. As you can see, it looks really good. It has these modern lights. Versions from different years have different types of lights, but this is by far the best I've seen. This particular one has fog lights and it has alloy wheels, which makes it really look very, very nice. I love the grille. I think the grille is really good and it's big enough to allow the cooling to take place effectively. Now I'll show you that it has blinkers on the mirrors, which is an extra touch that I really like with such cars. It increases that security and that safety when you're turning into very busy roads. I like the fact that it has this security system that makes it very easy to open and very secure. This car is really loved in Uganda, and in many parts of the country you'll find the old people love this car. Even young people have taken a like to this car, and when you have it, it's really easy to sell. Very easy to sell because the market for it is really high. It is a premium car, very comfortable inside, and the newer models that have come out, their demand has only increased. This is the car, the only car that I've seen where every newer model is more loved by the people who love the car. For other models like the Ipsum, you will notice that the old model was loved compared to the new model, but for the Toyota PREMIO, it's a totally different story. The lights at the back really stand out. Their design is really good, and I think you can agree with me that this is a car that can really command respect.
Let us look at the specifications of the Toyota PREMIO. Some people call it the PREMIO, but you can call it whichever you prefer. The Toyota PREMIO is a compact sedan that was produced by Toyota and sold in Japan and other countries. It was introduced in 2001 and was available in 1.5 liter, 1.8 liter and 2.0 liter engine sizes. The 2000 model year PREMIO was available with a 1.5 liter or 2 liter engine, both of which were inline 4-cylinder engines. The 1.5 liter was rated at 102 horsepower and had a fuel economy of approximately 20 kilometers per liter in the Japanese test cycle. The 2 liter engine was rated at 150 horsepower and had a fuel economy of approximately 18 kilometers per liter in the Japanese test cycle. Both engines were paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, and the PREMIO was available in the front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configuration. This car weighs in at 1.3 tons. Also, this weight depends on the drive, the engine size, and also the drive configuration, whether 4-wheel or 2 front wheel. So in conclusion, this is a beautiful car. If you want luxury at an affordable price, this is the car for you. In Uganda, they sell like hotcake, so their resale value really holds up over the long term.
Let's get into the driver's seat, see how the Toyota PREMIO feels. As you can see, this is a keyless start, so it has a push to start. the engine start button here, and we have our controls for the power windows right here. Yeah, as you can see, we also have the controls for the mirrors here as well. So let's sit on the inside and see how this car feels. The gauge cluster, first of all, is really beautiful with that center screen that gives us all the extra information that we need. The steering wheel has many tactile buttons that help us control the climate and also control the audio in the car. We can receive and end calls, and we can also change what we see on the display. We have an airbag for extra safety. So we place the key anywhere in the car and we shall be able to start the car just by pushing this button. The pedals down here, they're all nice, and we have our what we call the handbrake, the main brake, just here. We use the foot to be able to get it locked in. So you can see that the air vents are everywhere. We have air vents right there, air vents here, air vents here. So the climate control was really thought of. The other thing I like about this car is the music. The music in this car feels like surround sound, and that's mainly because we have these speakers right here down on the doors. Then we also have the tweeters here on the columns, and the columns are small, so they give you very good visibility, as you can see. Really beautiful. I love it. Then we look at the center console. We have more controls for the climate and also the audio. We have extra displays here that will give us more information, and we have a center screen for our infotainment systems. We have simple storage right here, down here. Then also more storage here for your cigarettes and the cigarette lighter, which also acts as a charger. Okay, and you can also use it to connect to Bluetooth of the car by adding a Bluetooth receiver. Then we also have more storage right here, down here. This can act as storage and also cup holders. And then aside from that, we also have more storage. We have more storage in here. Yes, that's deep and very big. Very nice. I like the extra touches that the Toyota engineers put into this car. Look at this curve on the door, really beautiful. It gives it that premium feel, you know, and the leather is really soft to the touch. I think this could be real leather because it doesn't feel plasticky at all. It doesn't feel plasticky at all. It really feels like leather, and I love it. Yeah, I think it is leather. Look at this. Look at those stitches on the steering wheel. This is leather. I love it. You know, this is premium. This is the S-Class of the Toyota, of the Toyota department, you know, like the Toyota division. I like it, the S-Class. Wow, really nice. Look at this. Yo guys, what's up? So you can see that we have our extra controls for the lights here. Everything is within arm's reach. I like all the storage that we have in the door bins, the glove compartment right here. Everything was really thought of, and it was done really well. The car feels nice. As a driver, I'm not complaining. I have good visibility. I have a good headroom, and my feet can easily reach the controls. So I could really sit comfortably in this car for 6 hours and be able to drive for a very long distance. Now let's look at the controls for the gears, the gear selector. Now for the gear selector, you see it's well positioned within arm's reach, and it feels really nice. These ones that are here are good, but this down here is better, you know. The ones that are here in the center are not so much. Shame on you, Toyota Wish. I really love these ones. These feel really premium. We have the parking, reverse, neutral, drive, and then we have the sport mode where you are able to select the gears on your own. We have the brake here, so let's just move it a little bit and we see. Yes, really nice. Oh my god, I feel like a racing driver. Let's check out the back and we see, if you bought this car and you're a big boss, you have a driver, how would you feel being in this car? But before we go there, I want you to check out this. Look at the dashboard. Really beautiful. I don't know if you see the curves. Really beautiful. Really nice. I love it. Let's go to the back and we see nice latch, metallic. Now in the back, the controls are not many. You see, we only have the control for the power window here. We have our good latches. Oh my god, this is pure metal. I love it. And we have some small storage here. I like keeping coins here, so call me to sit in your cars. I'll just be dropping coins everywhere. Now look at this. We have more storage at the back here, but this is because of these extra covers that we put, the seat covers. Though I'm sure the seat behind here also has somewhere to keep something or some magazines if you want to. The issue with these cars is that the leg room is not that much. It isn't that much. It is comfortable, but not that much. The headroom though is really good. The headroom is okay. I cannot complain about the headroom. There isn't a lot of storage. I wonder what would be kept in here. Oh my god. Definitely coins or nothing at all. Nothing at all. We have a hump in the middle here because there's a drive train. There's a shaft that goes to the back wheels from the engine, connecting the engine or the gearbox to the wheels at the back to allow the car to use four-wheel drive. So just know this car is really nice. It's four-wheel drive and it has this hump here. The hump makes it a bit uncomfortable at the back, but yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it. Look at this, really nice. They put the curves on the doors at the back here. So beautiful. More speakers, cup holders in the door bins. I like it. I like it. And then we have these latches that you can hold on to if you're on a bumpy road. I like them a lot, most especially when you're carrying many passengers and they don't want to squeeze each other. They tend to use these. I like the fact that the driver has one as well, because most cars have one for the passenger but they don't have one for the driver. I like the fact that this one has one for the driver. Now if you look at the back, the equipment in the back, all the items in the back will be fully covered because you can't see what is in the back there. It's well designed and it's all covered. You can put some extra things here. I usually see engineers putting helmets and reflector jackets there. I'm an engineer myself, so this would be very useful space for me. I like this. It acts both as an armrest, and also a cup holder. Yeah, so yeah, when you sit behind there, don the don, you will really enjoy yourself. Let's check out the boot space and see if we have some very nice space in there, because the importance of the boot is to be able to keep their two goats. If the boot cannot accommodate two goats, then it is not big enough for us. Let's check it out. Now the issue with the boot of the Toyota Premio is that you cannot open it directly from the back the way we do for many other cars. It doesn't seem to have any latch that we can hold on to be able to open it. So you have to go to the front. You have to come to the front here. Here, pull this latch. Then the boot opens just like this. And when it opens, I think the storage can accommodate 2 goats and about 6 suitcases. So this works for us. Just a caution, do not put goats in your boot. They will make the car smell, you know, goats. So when we put our spare tire here, it will be just perfect because this is the only storage for it. And if you don't have a spare tire, you can use it as extra storage. I like this mat at the back. Really makes the car very smart. Me love this one. I like it. This car very good, very good. Okay, so let's check out the engine, see how it looks, and then conclude the review of this car. To check out the engine, we have to use this latch here. Pull it like this, and then come here. Yo, the engine is heavy. Whoa, not the engine. The engine cover is really heavy. Wow, very heavy. But I like the way this one looks. You see, it's a dual VVTI engine with all the controls. You see the coolant is here, the wiper fluid is easy to access. The battery should be around there, but because this car is in a bond, the battery has not been placed yet. But I like it, I like it, I like it. You see the radiator is big enough to cool this huge engine. This is a 1.8 liter. I'll give the specifications of this car either later on, or you have already viewed them at the beginning of the video. Either way, it's nice. Those are the specifications that I've given you, and they are the right ones because we do our research. Feel free to subscribe at this point because we are coming to the conclusion of this review. I love the Toyota PREMIO. That's all for this week. Let's meet again next week. Review more cars. If you're within Kampala and you have a nice car that you would want me to review, reach out to me using the contacts in the description below. And if you have an electric car, we do sell chargers for electric cars. Check the description below to go to our Leisure shop and you'll be able to buy an electric charger for your car. These chargers are perfect for your home. You'll be able to connect it at your home and get off the fuel consumption issues. Check out the link in the description below and check out our shop at Leisure. Okay, let's go. Subscribe.